My name is Rothessa of Merida's Adventures. If you're new here, welcome. Yeah, I do create travel vlogs, and aside from that, I share my experience living here in Germany. For today's vlog, I will be sharing with you my hiking haul. I bought a lot of things, and I posted a question through my Instagram story whether I should make a haul out of the things that I bought. All of you guys answered to do a haul. So now I am doing a haul. And I'm so excited because we are going on a trip to Bayern. It will be my first time to do hiking here in Europe, and I bought a lot of things because it's really a must since I don't have any here. Yeah, good thing because another content, another vlog. So I'm happy to share with you guys all the things that I got, and I really don't have any idea what are the clothes and what are the essentials that I need to buy. And good thing, Mark already experienced doing hiking here. He just guided me what to buy, what to wear, and everything. Let's get started. So my first item is hiking shoes. This is from Colombia, and it's a gift from my husband. So thank you, Mark. Before, I also do hiking in the Philippines, and I just use my regular sneaker. He told me that I need to wear the right shoes, and I thought that wearing the regular shoes is enough. He mentioned that it's a long hike, it's not like in the Philippines. So he gave me this one, and it's a waterproof, and it's a leather, and it's very lightweight. I guess it's still on sale. I'm so happy because it fits perfectly. It's 37 and my shoe size is 36. You need one size bigger because you need a thick socks. Okay? Yeah, yun lang guys. Next item is a sock. I got this from Quechua. Quechua is a famous brand here in Germany, and it is from Decathlon. And I can say that compared to other brands, it's quite cheaper and the quality is really good. It's a wool sock. I don't know if you call this a wool sock, but yeah, it's thick and it's really comfortable when you use this one. And Mark told me that it's for hiking socks. And I really don't have any idea there is a hiking socks. I really thought that you can wear any socks because, you know, in the Philippines, I just wear slippers or my regular shoes. And it's 17 euro for 2 pairs. I also have another pair of socks. I have 4 in total, and you really need to have extra socks because it is not good when your feet are wet. You cannot predict the weather, mountains. Next item is my bag. This is also from Quechua. I've tried searching a lot of backpack, but it's so expensive. I am still looking for a bag which have this kind of support. How do you call this? Side, I don't know how to call this one. I'm sorry guys. It's also nice because it has already a coat. So if it's raining, you can have a coat for this one. And there's a lot of pockets, and I can tell that it has a good quality because Mark is using the same brand and he's using it for almost 5 years now. So I guess it's really worth it. Again, I highly recommend Quechua. It's also small and it fits perfectly to my body because, you know, I'm petite and I don't need a big backpack. Ito siya guys. And so, feel na feel. So, ayan, I'm so excited to use this, and it's only 40 euro. Comparing to other brands, more or less, you'll gotta spend 100 euro for a backpack. Next item is hiking pants. So, ayan. I've been searching for a lot of pants because mostly they have bigger size. Most of the time I go on the kids section, but I cannot find one which fits perfectly to my size. Good thing I went to Decathlon and they have XS or 34. This one is really comfortable and it has multi-functions. You can wear this as a short. There's a zipper here. Or you can wear it as pants. Also, there's a lot of pockets. And by the way guys, this one is only 40 euro. And aside from that, it's stretchable, comfortable, stretchable. I chose gray black because you can pair it with anything else. It's very versatile. And the next item is an accessory, because whenever you go on a hike, you don't have enough time to fix your hair, and knowing that I have curly hair, so I really need that one. And of course guys, I have a cap. It's from Nike or Nike. How do you pronounce it? Comment down how to pronounce it properly. So I got the red one to protect your skin or your face from the heat of the sun. And it's only 17 euro. And I like this because it's lightweight also. And the next item is also from Nike. It's a hoodie. And I've been searching for a hoodie for a long time already, but for me, it's really expensive, and now that I really need one, so yeah, I bought one. It's from Nike. It's 50 euro in the size of small, and it's very comfortable also to wear this one. Next item is a leggings. So I already have a lot of leggings, but I still bought one because it's on sale. It is from Under Armour and it fits perfectly to me. It's only, I guess, 17 euro. No, it's 20 euro. And I don't know how much is the original price of this one, but it's only 20 euro, and I guess the quality is really good. I haven't tried Under Armour yet. And to pair with my Under Armour leggings, I also bought sports bra from Under Armour, and it has the same color. What I love about this Under Armour, it fits perfectly, and it has, you know, foam. Foam sa bra. Meron siyang foam sa bra, and it's also on sale. It's only 15 euro, which is good. And yeah, next one is a shirt. It's a white shirt. It's a basic one, and from 6 euro down to 4 euro. It's really good for hiking because it's dry fit. Yeah, because you know, it's already summer here and I need a light t-shirt. I also have the black one because it's so cheap. I got two, the black and white. What I need are just the basics. So next one, another headband, and it's only 3 euro from Decathlon. And next one is from Adidas. It's a speed tank or tank top with a size of extra small, and it's also on sale from 35 down to 20 euro. So I saved 15 euro. And I love the fitting of this one. Next one is a tank top from Under Armour, and it's also on sale from 28 euro down to 13 euro. So it's good because it's really light, and I guess I can use this one because it's already summer here. And next one is a raincoat or rain jacket. And so when you go on a hike, it's very important to bring a raincoat because the weather on top of the mountain is very unpredictable. It will rain, it will be sunny, so yeah, it's a must to have a raincoat. And it's nice because it has a pouch where you can have your raincoat inside, and also it's only 19 euro or 20 euro, 19 and 99 euro. And the color is so neon orange. Yeah, it's nice. The next item is hiking shorts. It's the same brand from the t-shirt that I got. So it's also on sale from 10 euro down to 5 euro and 99. So I saved 4 euro. And I love this one because it's very stretchable and very comfortable. So it's from Boomerang, running Boomerang. So yeah, ayan guys. Also guys, I have jacket from Mountain. I don't know, it's that the brand? Mountain here. It's from Mountain Pro, and it's also on sale from 30 euro down to 12.99 euro. And that's what I've mentioned, even if it's summer, you still need to be prepared to bring a jacket, to have layers, because you know, you cannot predict the weather on top of the mountain. And of course, considering here in Europe, I guess it's very cold. Also, the last item I will be sharing with you is a vest. This one. I got this from TK Maxx, and it's from Massimo Dutti. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. You just need to layer this if it's cold on top of the mountain. And of course, trekking poles. I have 2. It's just funny because in the Philippines, I just use stick. And here they have this trekking poles. And also guys, I forgot this fila. It's like a jersey and I forgot to show it to you. So it's also a shirt, which is also nice when you wear it on a hiking trip. That are the things that I bought. And for the next video guys, I will be sharing with you all the essentials that you need when you go on a hiking. But after our tour, I can share it to you guys because I haven't experienced it yet. So better I will share it to you if I have the experience. That's all for this video, and thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe on my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click that notification button for you to be notified every time I upload another video. Tschüss!
If I could take you up in boom boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream.